the Ryans, a busy family of 4. 2 kids, 2 full-time jobs, and 2 dogs leave them with little me time. Needless to say, when it comes to working out, Tim and Heather find it hard to get motivated.
We've had gym memberships before, and I would go for a couple weeks, and then life would just get in the way, and you would not go once, not go twice, and then before you know it, you're not going anymore. So we just pay monthly, and every time if we didn't go, it would be like, we'd just be wasting money.
And then we tried a personal trainer and paid for that, and it was great to have someone motivate us and coming to the house and pushing us and getting us going. But then with the kids' activities and their schoolwork and dinner and just life, we had to reschedule a lot, and it just became a waste of money too.
So we thought about putting in a home gym, but we didn't know if we would really have the space to do it. A lot of times gym equipment can be big, and you need a lot of weights and a lot of space to accommodate that. So.
And then I was thinking, we had that small room in the basement, why not give it a shot, see what can fit down there. It would be great to have that flexibility to just go down to the basement and have it right there for us already, and have it there for the kids too.
Time to get some professional advice. Tom Holland, Bowflex's fitness advisor and exercise physiologist, has some do's and don'ts when it comes to setting up a home gym. It's important to also consider your lifestyle.
Tom, this is our space. Yeah. It's a little bit tight, and then we used it for storage mostly. Just everything from upstairs would just kind of end up here, So
this was the room the kids went to play when they were younger, but now that they're older, they don't need it for that.
So. And they can work out as well.
They can, right? Exactly.
Okay, so this is not a small space. I mean, we do small space. That's what we've been doing for decades. Okay. If we can move this out, this can be a workout area. We can get a couple pieces of equipment in here, and we'll get something that works for not only you, but for your kids as well.
That would be great.
You ready for that?
I'm ready.
Right, so we're gonna get rid of this. Right. We're gonna decide what we want, and we're gonna bring it all in.
All right,
let's do it.
It's fantastic.
Right?
So excited.
It's everything. Everything is here. I mean, from biking to elliptical to the weights too. It's like, what more can we need?
This is the Max Total, top of the line. There's a screen integrated right here, and in that integrated screen we have Bowflex Journey. You can watch your favorite show on many of the most popular streaming services. You have coached workouts built right in. You have adaptive coaching technology as well. That's where you have your own personalized coach that learns from your workouts, and it's going to progress you just as if you had a coach right next to you. This is actually half the length of a traditional elliptical, half the length of a traditional elliptical. So, it would be way out here. Space saver is what we wanted for you guys, right? And then we gave you another option. So we have the Bowflex C6 bike. And what's amazing about the C6 bike is it connects to the most popular fitness apps out there. And then you need strength. We talked about kettlebells, you're both into strength. This is the Bowflex SelectTech 840. So we took the SelectTech technology, which is just one set of dumbbells with multiple sets in one, and we did that with the kettlebell. So this is the kettlebell 840, which means 8 to 40 pounds. At just the turn of a dial, you can get 6 different weights. So if I pick it up, that's 8 pounds, right? Feel that? Nice start, right? And then you go, okay, we want a little bit more. It leaves behind. Now this is nice and heavy. Right?
Whoa.
8 to 40 pounds.
We just didn't think this could happen, and it was so simple.
Right. In a very small amount of space, you're going to have everything you need for not one, but 4 members of the family, right?
No excuses.
Yeah. When it comes to being healthy, it's not just a diet and it's not just exercise. You actually want a 3-pronged approach. And those 3 prongs are healthy eating, cardiovascular exercise, not just for weight loss and weight maintenance, but for heart health, which is really important. And then you want strength training to, I call it bulletproof your body, add lean muscle to your body to increase your metabolism, and just to enjoy life.
Erin, a registered dietitian, knows how important it is to combine the proper nutrition with a healthy workout routine.
As a teenager, I was an athlete, and I was always really interested in how nutrition impacted my performance. So when I went to college, I decided to study nutrition. I was really blown away by how just a small change to the diet impacted a person tremendously. Their blood sugar went down, their energy went up, and their overall health improved. What you put in your body is your fuel. So if you're not fueling your body with healthy nutrition, your exercise is going to lack. You're not going to have the endurance and the strength you want. So what you want to do is pair a moderate amount of exercise with a balanced diet, and that's what's really going to give you the results you want. Everybody thinks lifestyle change is doing everything, changing your whole lifestyle, and that just burns us out and we go right back to old habits. But what lifestyle change really is making a change that's so small and so simplistic, it doesn't really feel like a change, and those are the changes you can stick with day after day, and that consistency is really what drives true health improvement. People need to know that no matter how busy they are, there's always time for health.
You know, at Bowflex, we want to make it easy and we want people to see results. We want you to be healthy and we want to give you that option at home where you can get it in. You're going to be consistent. More and more people are seeing the benefits of home gyms and how convenient it is, how easy it is, and how you don't have to go to the gym. Research shows that 3 10-minute bouts of exercise, exact same benefits as 1 continuous 30 minutes. In the time it takes you to go to the gym, you are done with your workout at home. And that's so important for mothers with kids and fathers who are busy. We couldn't be more excited at Bowflex to help Tim and Heather bring their home gym and put it together for them. They've got strength, they've got cardio. So with Jake and Ella, you know, Heather can get in that workout when she needs to. Tim can do it before work, after work. It's gonna make their lives easier. They're gonna do it at home so their kids are gonna see them and they're gonna be great role models for their kids. They're also at the age where they're gonna be able to use some of this equipment as well. It's just a win-win on all fronts. You know, bringing the gym home for the whole family.
Having the flexibility to just work out at our leisure has been fantastic and life-changing because with the kids, life gets so crazy and...
Yeah, well, just having it right here, too, instead of having to go another, 15 minutes to get to the gym and then, you know, come back, it ends up being almost 2 hours. So if I have it here, you know, I could be done in an hour and you know, be right back at it.
It's really been great and helpful for our family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For more information on how to create your own at-home gym with Bowflex, visit bowflex.com or designingspaces.tv.